What's up, everyone? It's been a while. I am sorry. I have been ridiculously busy. Hired a new guy. Working out pretty good. He's living up to what he told me he could do. Proud of him. TC fam, he joined. Joined at a good time, I might add, too. We are getting close, guys. I am kind of tired of this truck, but happy at the same time. It is becoming a amazing piece of art. It has taken forever. Most of the time it was waiting for parts, but we are getting there. Hopefully we get through this Texas winter pretty fast and I can throw another car show. And that's gonna be the star, along with the blue beauty over there. And that's pretty much all I have for you right now. I will be uploading soon the video of the progress on that orange truck. It has came a long way. I actually had to go about a year back in my phone alone to find before pictures and videos. So hopefully you guys like it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm sorry I haven't posted anything recently. I will get back to it. I am trying to get this orange truck done as fast as possible, but not rush, as I hate rushing on jobs. That's how you make mistakes. Anyways, see y'all next time. Please like, subscribe, and share.